10 now. It's already so hot. To maybe escape the heat a little bit, we planned on staying tonight a little bit further up the mountains. 270 kilometers of riding. And I lost Maree already. This is impossible. Gone. 2 minutes.
We only had one day in Bodrum. Definitely not enough. Marc worked the whole day with the video that he released yesterday. I had to do some work, and then the day was over, and now it's early morning and we're leaving again. So, oh shiza, I need to get gas. Good remembering, good reminding me I have to get gas. Toot toot!
Is it different here than going to the gas station in Europe?
Europe, they don't care about me. I get a free car wash.
But they care here?
Pump my gas. Yeah. It's like half the price.
Yeah.
As well, there's a good drink selection. Yeah. The toilets are like hotel toilets.
Wow.
Just wander about all day.
A whole different experience. And at every gas station, that's interesting. They put in the license plate number, and they have different card machines for each pump in the shop. You cannot buy stuff and pay for gas on the same bill, and you have to give the bill to the man that fills up again. It's like a whole deal. I'm fully charged. What?
Did you miss me? Oh, what's he doing? Everyone here's crazy.
You're too slow.
The drivers in Turkey are pretty good compared to other countries. Italy was crazy.
I think we don't hang out enough.
Nearly 7 months on the road together.
Oh, there comes an ambulance.
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
Go over to the side.
Where is it coming from? This way? I can't see him though. Ah, now what? I have 227 k's to go. Feel like we haven't really done much yet. Just been stuck in traffic for the last 50 k's. Yes.
Already 35 degrees. Man, but imagine doing this on the old Honda. I would have to stop every hour to cool her down. So when I get the Dominator over to New Zealand, I might have to do it via Russia. Maybe in 5 years. But for Eve, this is just brilliant. Like, my range is through the roof. I didn't even start with 100% this morning. I started with 92%. And I'm still at 69% after 67 kilometers. Much better up the mountains, man. A nice breeze. Maree and I saw this new Black Mirror episode on Netflix.
Yell at someone!
In this episode was a streaming service broadcasting the lives of their viewers in almost real time that work with AI and stuff, and it was really cool, and it reminded me a little bit of what we are doing here, because what I'm recording today you guys see tomorrow evening sometime, depends on how quick I am with editing. In this Netflix series it looks like it is, you know, something super futuristic, but actually Maree and I, we're living exactly this life, except of that I'm also the producer, and everything you see I want you to see. Let's hope it doesn't get too crazy within the next 5 years. AI is coming, and AI will change our lives. That I'm pretty certain of. So this is how it would look like if I would put all my gear in Maree's car. You couldn't go. He's charging alright. Once you have it figured out with the app, these chargers work pretty solid, right? Like every charger works so far. And you can see in the app which ones are really active and which ones are not. That's pretty cool.
So Turkey has the best chargers there.
So far Turkey has the best chargers, yeah?
After all that shizzle.
After all that.
I like mine spicy.
Do you think you have enough?
No, I do. If it's not burning my mouth, it's not hot enough.
Wow. I'll be catching up. That worked brilliantly yesterday. Not. They even have an automatic option where you can just plug in and it starts automatically charging, but you have to have a certain kind of vehicle. And obviously they don't have zero motorcycles in their app, but maybe in the future. That way you wouldn't even need an app anymore, which is absolutely cool. All right, let's catch up. I also read a funny comment this morning suggesting I should get a tow bar and put it on the jimmy and put the bike on the jimmy and then drive the long stretches with Maree in the car. But where would be the point in that? I really don't understand it. I really enjoy riding every day, you know, and putting the bike on the jimmy and then driving the car. Even if there would be space for me in the jimmy, which is not clearly, that would just not be an option for me. I want to ride every day. That is why I'm going on this adventure. And by the way, it is Sunday today, hence all the traffic. Otherwise, this would be a really cool road down the mountain. Really love it. I don't know how Maree likes it, but I think it's brilliant. A lot of bikers here too, and sport cars. Towing is not an option. A generator is not an option for me. This would all defeat the whole purpose of this adventure. Eve can do it on her own. Maybe the occasional ferry. But that's legitimate, I think. What do you think about a tow bar to pull the bike behind the jimmy?
I told you to get this umbrella.
What?
I said let's go get a tow for it.
I don't want that. That makes no sense. You're not a motorcycle rider. I can't believe Maree agrees with that. Where do I even sit? What does she think? Can't believe it. I'm going a little faster, okay? Finally a good mountain road here. The tires should be plenty warm. Wow. Was definitely the right choice to go in the mountains. These roads, man, so cool. Oh. Gosh. We could have also gone through the tunnel. Thank you. But no way I'm paying toll and miss out on this. So cool. It is so cool with Eve. Man, it doesn't matter going up, going down. The power is basically always the same. This is so crazy. While the Jimmy obviously is struggling a lot up the mountain, it doesn't matter with Eve. Does not matter. No shifting, no nothing, it's just power. And yes, I guess that is also the good thing doing a journey like this on a street bike. I mean, you can really enjoy it, these kind of roads, if you're into it. So cool how fast scenery can change. I'm pretty sure that Turkey is gonna surprise us a lot in the next month while we're here. Alright guys, we're right outside of Fethiye and 4 minutes away from our apartment, and it is right in the mountains. I love that. There are all these little towns here. So cool. Life seems so much quieter here than at the sea. Hello. And this is not as hot. It's only 32 degrees instead of 37. Look at these old bikes. And the Airbnb was quite cheap too. It was like 40 bucks a night. Can't complain about that. And it's not even a weird gravel road. So I guess Maree's also quite more chill. And it wasn't off-grid, so I can even charge Eve, even though I still have 26% battery left and we did 300 kilometers. I was only charging for 50 minutes, started with 90%. Man, it is so cool. And it should be right here. Yes. Yes. You have to go right here somewhere. This is quite steep. I need some space, babes. Yeah, but there's no worries about that. No worries. The Jim
is gonna get to New Zealand in pieces.
No. Alright guys, I guess we were pretty lucky with the apartment. We're staying here a couple of days. Just relax, work, and just enjoying nature a little bit. I really love that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.